What is going on, YouTube? Man, do we have a treat for you today. This is, outside of the CRKT Crossbones, my favorite all-time gentleman's blade. So stay tuned right after we roll that intro, and I'm going to show you what CRKT's got in my shop today. Alright, as you saw by that opening, we're going to take a look at the Ken Onion Swindle. Yes, he is seriously one of my favorite knife makers. Why? Well, here's a huge reason, to be honest. Ken Onion blades almost have a life of their own. Now, with this one, I chose the one with the grooved handles. There is another model out there that has smooth handles. His blades always... The only way I can put it, they always seem to have this swoop and they're really ergonomic, or he goes throwback and takes inspiration from like World War I and World War II and designs like some badass modern day features on older blades. Now the only thing that upset me is Ken himself called this a tactical gentleman's blade. Guys, anytime you throw tactical in the front of something, it just makes me want to puke. Alright, it really, really, truly does. He's a damn great award-winning designer. You don't need to throw that word tactical on there to make gear junkies buy your stuff. But that's just my little rant. So here we go. It's got an overall length of 7.50 inches. Closed, it's 4.25. And the blade is 3.25. It comes in at a minor weight of 3.95 ounces. Wow, thought that said 4. Sorry. I was looking at my note sheet there for a moment. Now, in this guy, the blade steel is 12 C27 Sandvik with a Rockwell rating of about 59 to 61. Now, if you got the one with the flat with the flat handle, the smooth handle, your blade steel is going to be 8CR 14 MOV. So, whatever version you choose, you get a different steel, which I thought was kind of interesting. It does have a satin finish. Now, I love the handle itself. They say it's ground stainless steel. I'm like, well, it just looks freaking beautiful. I mean, seriously, absolutely beautiful to me. They say it's a Warncliffe style, but, you know, honestly, I don't care. It's a beautiful blade. You know, it's got a plain edge. As you saw, it's got a flipper open with the IKBS system. So it opens buttery smooth. It's just right there. Now this is what made me go, okay, what the heck? They say this is a liner lock. Excuse the sirens in the background, guys. Sounds like someone's having a bad day. I'm calling that a frame lock because there's no way that's a liner. Alright, there's just not. Now, for some reason, they made this one over in China. I'm like, okay, help maybe keep the cost down. I don't know. I'm alright with it though, because it's a beautiful freaking blade. You know, I love how when CRKT does that, there's a little IKBS, you know, emblem. And I just love how they have their logo there. Now, this is the part that I thought was cool as crap before we get to the cutting. First of all, it won an award at Blade Show in 2013 as the most innovative import design. And here's a huge reason why. This is your pocket clip. Okay, it opens up, you know, it nests basically in your pocket. There's only one way to carry this blade, and that is tip up. Alright, it nests, and you can rotate it to, you know, the left or the right, depending on your preference of carrying. And yeah, there is no lanyard hole, but it's a gentleman's blade, and it's designed to be sleek, hidden, and not like, you know, CIA Tactical, The Rock, and, you know, whatever movie. It's designed to give you ease and comfort. I thought that was freaking cool, that little pocket clip design. Now, with this one, I'm actually remembering to do it now. Just normal paracord. There we go. I mean, it just goes right through it. 4, no problem. And look, really nothing left on the blade. Nice. Oh, wait, a little bit up here, but that's okay. So, for price on this guy, I took a look at it on Amazon, CRKT, and Blade HQ. Over on Amazon, this one's going to run you $48.36. Over on CRKT, it's going to run you $79.99, and Blade HQ is $59.99. Now, for the reviews on CRKT, it's got 4.75 stars out of 5 with 7 reviews. Over on Blade HQ, 4.5 out of 5 with 2 reviews. And after 291 reviews on Amazon, it's got a 4 out of 5 star rating. Now comes the important part. I want to know what you think. Down below, please. Questions, comments, love, hatred, whatever, man. You know I love hearing it. You know I'm going to respond to you. If you're a first-time viewer of the channel, I want to thank you so much for taking a moment of your day to view this video. I know YouTube has a lot of videos out there, and I'm flattered you chose one of mine. Now, for all you awesome dudes who haven't subscribed yet, look right over here, man. There's going to be a little symbol popping up. Go ahead and click on that. That's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you hit on that subscribe, please go ahead and click on the bell icon. That's going to notify you every single time we upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. The Ken Onion Swindle. Thank you so much for giving me a moment of your day, and I hope you have an incredible day today.